Which natural phenomenon is caused by the movement of tectonic plates? Which natural phenomenon is caused by the movement of tectonic plates? Is it tornadoes, earthquakes, hurricanes, or tsunamis? So this is none other than, sure na talaga, this is earthquakes. Okay? Earthquakes. Now, talking about earthquakes, dito sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Dito sa Pilipinas, aside from the West Philippine Sea na commotion, itong Philippines natin, itong country natin, we are actually located on a certain ring, no? Or a certain location on which na most of the time merong lindol. Anong tawag sa location natin? Okay, very good. The Pacific Ring of Fire. And lumabas din po ito, di ba? Pacific Ring of Fire, this is the location on which madami pong mga tremors, madami pong volcanic activity just because of what? Yung mga plate boundaries natin. Okay? Because of these plate boundaries. Kasi itong mga location na ito, there is movement. And once there is movement, ang mangyayari is that magkakaroon po talaga ng mga tremors, earthquake. We have the three plate boundaries here. We have divergent, meaning to say, nag-diverge siya. Okay? Convergent, there is subduction. Okay? There is subduction. Transform, para siyang nag-slide, okay?